Antivirus. It would be unfair to sign off without discussing antivirus, which takes care of this malicious software, which would be absolutely unmanageable to remove manually. What is antivirus? A protective software designed to defend your computer against malicious software is termed as antivirus. It has derived its name due to its first inception, where it was purely designed to defend against the category of malware, virus. How does antivirus work? An antivirus protects the system in two modes. First is the interactive mode, where the AV is kept running in the background all the time. When an external drive is inserted, it checks the files inside and prevents malicious files from being opened. The other mode is the scan mode. When this is enabled on a timely basis, the critical areas of the system, such as the registry, startup, services, and task manager, are monitored.